So farming has always been a way of life for this young man's family. So about 8 months ago, he's turned it into more than that. He's developed a brand and a business around it. And here to tell us more is Adriel Rowe, the creator of Rowe Farms. Adriel, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning, thanks for having me.
Yeah, man, our pleasure. So explain the first part about farming, always a part of your family. So tell me about that, and then we can talk about what you started to do.
Okay. Well, farming has always been a part of my family in that my father has been farming from before I have been born. Okay. So I'm kind of late to the party. Finished university, I came out. I didn't land right into a job after university. So I was helping my father on the farm. And then I just decided that, it could be a lot more than this. It could be a brand, it could be a business. And I want to share that with the rest of Jamaica.
Yeah, what you did at university?
Management studies, but I did a lot of marketing courses, and that is what's helping me today, to be honest.
So those courses and the management studies would have helped you to come up with these ideas to do what you are doing now?
Yes, and, add a little knack for creativity. I don't want to toot my own arm, but,
No, man.
Yeah, so
man. Toot it, man. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Was it because, as you said, you came out of university, was it because you didn't get what you really wanted to do while you jumped into farming, or was that at the back of your mind all the while that maybe you're going to deal with this?
To be honest, I used to always shy away from the farm because, it's hard work.
Yeah.
And, you don't really like hard work and it's sun hot and all of that. But after a while, it started to grow on me and I started to love it. Seeing my father's passion for it, it had that effect on me and I became passionate about it.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's like plants are living things, so it's like you're caring for living things.
Yeah.
So that was fun for me.
Apart from that, what about it that you loved? Because you say you don't like hard work, and as far as I know, farming is hard work all the time.
Well, I love it now. I love hard work now. Yeah. So I like the process of testing the product before I sell it. That is my favorite part, filling my belly before I send whatever I'm selling out there. Yeah. My favorite part about it.
Okay, you take over from your dad or you're working with your dad?
No, my dad is my partner. He is very pivotal to the whole process. Yeah. Without him, it would crumble like a heartbeat.
Partner or him is the boss?
A boss, partner / everything. It's 50-50. Yeah. That's him there in the guide.
Yeah, man. So all right. So tell me, what kind of difference have you made since you come into the thing now? Is it the same old, or you've brought some innovations and stuff? Tell me about it.
Well, the innovations would be the social media aspect in terms of like making it look a bit more pleasing to the eye, having it marketed across the digital platform. Because before, we would have been down here doing something amazing. And doing something amazing isn't all that amazing if no one knows you aren't doing something amazing.
Yeah.
So I would say I added the aspect of pushing it out there.
Yeah. What's on the farm?
So currently now we have a lot of sweet potatoes, we have pumpkin coming in, we have carrots, we have some string bean, we have scallion. And other things that we carry to our farmers market we source from people within the area. So that is how we get everything together.
And your farmers market is right in our house almost, don't? The farmers.
Yeah, basically 20 Beachwood Avenue.
Right, which is just very, very close to where we are.
Down the road.
How often you do that? Is this a once a week, once a month? How often you do it?
Every 2 weeks. So it would be next week, October 24th, we'll be coming back to 20 Beachwood Avenue. And so we encourage people to come out and, test some of the produce straight from the farm to your table.
Yep. You're in St. Elizabeth. Why would you have a farmer's market on Beachwood Avenue?
In Kingston, well, really and truly, in St. Elizabeth, farm food isn't really that hard to access. Everyone, it's a big, especially where I'm from, it's a big farming community. Yeah. A lot of people do farming. And so farming there isn't really I would say a niche for affordable farm stuff down here. Yeah. And country people, as we like to say, are very friendly. I mean, you plant something, you go and you give away some. And, so it's basically sharing in our community. So I want to share that with people outside of the community. I have a lot of brethren in Kingston, so I figured why not share with them first.
Fantastic. I don't know if you can answer this. Well, I guess you can because you're supposed to know what's going on. Are there areas, like how you say you do sweet potatoes and stuff, are there areas in the country that certain produce will grow and then certain areas it not gonna grow. Does that happen in farming or no? If I want to plant anything in Kingston, it will just be as lovely as what happens in the rural areas?
Well, it's supposed to can go in Kingston. It's just that it would probably take a different level of care. So like how the soil may be dry because the temperature is dry in Kingston, you may have to water your produce, especially your young plants, a lot more often. And in the hilly areas like Monroe, going up that area, sweet potato grows very well because of the climate there. It's cold and nice, and and it's damp. Sweet potato loves that.
Beautiful. Give me some tips for young people, or maybe even me might decide, say, well, I want to start a little farming thing. Give me some tips on what you do, how you do it, when you do it. Let's go.
All right, so the first tip is if you say you buy a fruit or a produce and you want to replant it, watermelon, for example, you can repurpose the seeds from the watermelon and plant it. The only thing is that the moment it enters your mouth, you can't really plant it again. You would have had to pick it out before.
Yeah. When you say repurpose the seed, what do you mean by repurpose the seed?
So it's like you just pick out the seed and plant it back. That's repurposing.
And that's it? That's it?
Yeah, and that's it. You pick it out, plant it back. Pumpkin though, on the other hand, when you take out the pumpkin seeds, you'd have to sun it for a little while, for a couple of days, before you plant it back. And pumpkin is something I believe can grow in almost any climate.
Okay, hold on with the watermelon now. Hold on with the watermelon. Just one tiny seed, me just put in the ground and one big old watermelon going to grow?
Yeah, about an inch deep, yeah.
Just one single tiny seed?
Yeah, it's one tiny seed. What? And it not only one, it has many. So it's a vine and it grows many.
And you said that if you cut it first, it don't work again? That's what you said?
You cut it first?
No, the watermelon.
No, if you ingest it. Yeah.
Oh.
So like if you're eating your watermelon and you eat it and then you spit out the seed and you plan to plant that back, it won't grow.
Why?
No clue, it just doesn't happen.
All right, I will be the first one for just go so and spit out that seed and you say about 9 watermelons.
Well, when you do that, you have to send me a video.
I shall. Tell me the other tips before we go.
All right, so instead of buying bag fertilizer, you can use like your skin peels. So you finish peeling a sweet potato or yam, you can use that as a substitute to bag manure, and that would be a natural manure. If you are, however, using fruit peels, you want to use some kind of insect pesticide with it because fruit peels tend to attract more bugs and pests than opposed to peels of provision.
Hold on, tell me that again. So if I put in that banana thing, I forgot to spray it?
Yeah, you probably have to spray it or put ants powder or something around it because it's going to attract pests.
It's
more fragrant,
Yeah, but I know about I want to do that then. So which other one I don't have to spray and stuff? Tell me about what else I do.
Well, you can use your yam peel, sweet potato peel, any other ground provision peels from those. And you just use it as manure as opposed to going in and buying bag manure.
Fantastic.
If you have any old tire about the place, you can use that as a flower pot. You just fill it up with soil and you can plant multiple seeds in it.
Yeah.
And you can use that as a means of starting your own farm from your household, wherever you are. Whether or not you have a big plot of land or anything. Fantastic. You just need a tire and some soil and some seeds.
Let's take off on a sim tire them. It's look. My brother, thank you so much. I obviously know what you're doing and you've brought something different to the business. I'm sure your dad and your family are very happy that you are with them. And hopefully I'll come check you. When you come on Beechwood, when you come every 2 weeks, you say, what is it?
Every
Saturday?
2 weeks.
What, Saturday?
Saturday.
Saturday
mornings.
I was going to say Sunday, but you can't move on a Sunday. So.
No, we can't move on a Sunday, sadly.
When you next coming?
October 24th.
October 24th.
That's next week, Saturday.
That's Simone's birthday.
It's crazy. Happy birthday, Simone. In the future.
Yeah. So you have to go bring 2 watermelon seed for her.
Yeah.
It can't be 24 no lockdown day.
A lockdown day?
It's a Sunday. 24 no Sunday.
Or is it the 23rd?
Listen, man. Suppose you have the whole that will come out.
The Saturday.
Yeah.
The next Saturday.
Well, that is my daughter's birthday. But she live a foreign, so you have to go package up everything and we put things on it.
Yeah, you know a lot of people with birthdays, man.
It's my daughter, they must know age. Angel, good to see you, my friend. And don't tell the people
Thanks.
the 24th I have everybody get locked up because they're out there
That's
wait.
true. That
Just
is
say me
true,
I
my
wait
brother.
for Angel and him same coming with some seal for Simone's birthday. Angel, much love, my friend. Much, much love. Good to see you. Heal up
Thank
the
you for
family for
having
me
me.
and heal up the people
Yeah,
in
man.
St. Elizabeth. All right? God bless you.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
Soon come. I think we have rollout. Yeah. Soon come. Rollout. Stay with me.